Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we're opening two brand new castings for 2018, Dodge Demon and a Porsche Spyder. So let's get straight into it. We'll open up the Porsche 918 Spyder. This was in the N case for 2018. It is a brand new casting. You may recall that Hot Wheels has released a Porsche 918 Spyder previously in 2013. That was based on the concept version. However, this casting is based on the production version from 2014 to 2015. So this casting is the actual production version, so it's pretty cool. First released in a metal flake silver for this year, but I got it in this nice bright cherry red. It's really cool, and it's got those 10 spoke wheels that look pretty nice on this ride as well. And being factory fresh, we've got the headlight decals, we've got some tail light decals, a whole lot of detail on it. I really like it. I think that bright color really makes me, I just love this car, especially that color. Check out the detailed views. Alright, next up we've got the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Now, you know, it's actually a very plain looking car with just this yellow paint work. We've got a few little stamps on it for the, you know, the rear tail lights there. The wheels, they're really, well, they're actually a sort of grey black, but they are black. You'll notice the big fat ones at the rear, the nice skinny ones at the front, but it's a really plain looking muscle car. I know it's factory fresh, so we do see a lot of plain cars in factory fresh. Just see that Dodge symbol there, but it just looks a little bit too boring for me. I really could have been something really special, so I'm looking forward to seeing this one in some other series, decked out in some other colors and graphics. So let's check out the detailed views. Alright, let's check them both out on the track. First up, we'll start with that Porsche 918 Spyder. Let's give it a spin. Took that loop not bad, but lost a lot of speed there. I did hear it click in the curve, so I just thought maybe it's got a bit of a front scoop that was hitting the curb, and you can see that it's a very long front scoop. Alright, let's check out the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Not sure how this one was going to go. It's a pretty heavy car, but took that loop really well the first time and then went into the booster really slow and kicked up and hit the track. Alright everyone, big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Do you have either of these castings? Do you have the first Porsche that was released in Metal Flake Silver? Or maybe you've got the Zamac version of this Dodge that's just recently been released? Let me know in the comments down below. But most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels Garage. Thanks everyone.